Bitcoin price prediction. Hits $40,000 amid ETF moves and IRS update. Arslan Butt last updated January 25, 2024 1:27 EST forum and read. In a market teeming with activity, Bitcoin's latest surge to $40,000, marking a nearly 1% increase on Thursday has investors and analysts revisiting their Bitcoin price predictions. This uptick comes amidst a flurry of significant developments. Chinese investors, spurred by stock market dynamics, are increasingly engaging with Bitcoin despite its prohibited status in the country. In a parallel development, the IRS has revised the tax form questions concerning digital assets, signaling a shift towards greater regulatory clarity. Further adding to the ecosystem's transparency, Arkham has revealed the onchain addresses associated with 4 major Bitcoin ETFs, a move that could potentially reshape investor sentiment and market dynamics. Chinese market trends drive Bitcoin engagement. Amidst the nation's economic recession, more and more Chinese investors are looking to cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin, as a safe haven. Investors are accessing cryptocurrencies through unconventional means and operating in a regulatory gray area as a result of the stock and real estate market's downturn. People are trading on sites like OKX and Binance despite China's prohibition on cryptocurrency trading and stringent money movement regulations, taking advantage of Hong Kong's more welcoming climate for cryptocurrencies. The Hong Kong branches of significant Chinese financial institutions, such as Bank of China and China Asset Management, are investigating ventures linked to cryptocurrencies. Due to economic uncertainty, more Chinese investors are turning to digital assets like Bitcoin, seeing its potential in the face of obstacles in the traditional market. This trend could have a favorable effect on Bitcoin prices. IRS revises digital asset stance in tax forms. All United States taxpayers must record income connected to digital assets on their federal tax return for 2023 as a result of updates and expansions made by the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) to the digital asset question on income tax forms. The updated question, which is now present in 4 more tax forms, focuses on transactions that incorporate digital assets like stablecoins, cryptocurrencies, and non-fungible tokens (NFTs). The extension of the digital asset inquiry to many tax forms, such as corporations, partnerships, estates, and trusts, highlights the IRS's increased emphasis on cryptocurrency tax compliance. Even while the news mostly affects taxpayers' reporting requirements, greater oversight and regulatory actions in the cryptocurrency industry could have an impact on investor mood, market dynamics, and cryptocurrency prices. Arkham boosts transparency with Bitcoin ETF on-chain data. 4 spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs connected to financial firms BlackRock, Fidelity, Bitwise, and Franklin Templeton have been discovered by Arkham Intelligence. With a focus on blockchain intelligence, the company has now recognized half of the ETFs available in the U.S. market. The ETFs that have been identified are the Bitwise Bit Fund, the Franklin Templeton ESP ETF, the BlackRock IBIT ETF, and Fidelity's Wise Origin Spot Bitcoin ETF FBTC. The disclosure improves market openness by offering lucid insights into fund holdings and activities. A more transparent Bitcoin market is essential to fostering investor confidence and drawing knowledgeable participation. Even though the news mainly affects ETF transparency, it also benefits the integrity of the market as a whole and could have an impact on investor mood and Bitcoin prices. Bitcoin price prediction. In the current market landscape, Bitcoin is nearing a critical juncture, edging close to its pivot level at $39,947 as shown on the 4-hour chart. The cryptocurrency is encountering initial resistance at $40,884, with further hurdles at $41,781 and an even more significant one at $43,394 that may restrain any price increases. Conversely, Bitcoin's support levels are positioned at $38,618, with additional safety nets at $37,638 and $36,745 if the price were to decline. The relative strength index RSI, situated at 38, suggests a balanced field with no immediate signs of overbought or oversold conditions, leaving room for potential shifts up or down. The 50-day exponential moving average EMA at $40,494 hovers just above the pivot point, indicating an ongoing struggle between buyers and sellers. Bitcoin price chart. Source: TradingView technical patterns, including a prominent double top formation with resistance near $39,950 could spell a downturn if Bitcoin doesn't manage an upward breach. As it stands, the broader sentiment for Bitcoin's trajectory is inclined to the downside, particularly if it cannot sustain above the pivotal $40,000 mark. Top 15 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2023. Stay up to date with the world of digital assets by exploring our handpicked collection of the best 15 alternative cryptocurrencies and ICO projects to keep an eye on in 2023. Our list has been curated by professionals from industry talk and crypto news, ensuring expert advice and critical insights for your cryptocurrency investments. Take advantage of this opportunity to discover the potential of these digital assets and keep yourself informed. See the 15 Cryptocurrencies Disclaimer. Cryptocurrency projects endorsed in this article are not the financial advice of the publishing author or publication. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile investments with considerable risk. Always do your own research. Follow us on Google News.